I'm gonna lock myself into that tiny freezing outdoor closet behind me to see if my gaming laptop can really replace a space heater. It is currently 28 degrees in this closet. How do I even do this? I've got my gaming laptop behind me, I have a lawn chair, and I've got my tripod in the corner. The first thing I need to do is I need to turn on my space heater. Then I'm going to install acoustic foam panels and hopefully get rid of some of this echo. And I'm gonna build this closet in Minecraft. After all of those things are done, we're gonna look at the temperature again and see what temperature it is after I'm done with all of these things. I am freezing. Let's go ahead and get this laptop fired up. Fortnite has to update. I'm not surprised. It's 45 degrees in here, and while this updates and while my laptop generates some heat, I'm gonna go ahead and install these acoustic foam panels. Time for the acoustic foam panel installation montage. Getting kind of thirsty. My water bottle is frozen over. Hopefully the echo is a lot better. This is like the most janky job I've ever done. The temperature is going up. It's 48 degrees in here now. It's time to play Fortnite on my space heater. I can feel a little bit of heat. Oh, that feels so good actually. My fingers are kind of going numb, I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of a crazy idea if you think about it. It's nighttime, it's like 11 p.m., maybe midnight, and I'm just playing Fortnite in a closet to see if my computer can make enough heat to make it warm in here. Smoked him, didn't even see him. He's gone. Gosh, it is actually kind of cold in here. My hands are numb. Only 50 degrees in here. What an idiot. 52 degrees. Playing Fortnite is a space heater. This is insane. Even though I'm freezing right now, I'm gonna smoke these people. Oh my gosh! I'm trying to play Fortnite, my foam panels are falling down. The timer got knocked over. There's 13 people left in this game. Can I win? No, don't die. Oh no! What an idiot. Dang it, I was hoping to win this game. Man, these things just keep falling off. After playing an entire game of Fortnite and getting 9th place, can you believe it or not, a guy like me getting 9th place? You would think it'd be warmer than 52 degrees. Just take a listen to these fans. What just happened? Why is it so zoomed in? What is going on? I'm gonna go ahead and make a new game. The new world on Minecraft is gonna be called The Closet. I'm gonna be building in creative mode because I am cold and I'm ready for this video to be over. What can I do to get this thing warmer? It's 54 degrees. Why can't it just warm up in here? Okay, I've made the closet in Minecraft. Check it out. I have the space I'm in. I have a light, which is actually over here, and I have this red bin thing right here, which I am next to. Where'd my eyes go? Whoa. Since when does he blink? Since when does Steve blink in Minecraft? Did you see that? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not even gonna close Minecraft. I'm just gonna open another game on top of it. Now I'm gonna play Sea of Thieves, hopefully with Minecraft running in the background and Sea of Thieves on top of it. Am I saying that right? Sea of Thieves. I think I'm going crazy, guys. I think I'm losing my mind in this closet. What am I doing with my life? What am I even doing? Maybe I can keep myself warm with some of these foam panels. As you can see, the CPU temperature is 203, GPU is 156. We are generating heat. These things just keep falling off the walls. What's going on with these things, dude? Why do they keep falling down? No. It's not moving, it's still 54 degrees. 55 degrees. We are gaining temperature. I don't even want to play this game anymore. I just want to be warm. What's going on? I'm just hanging out in my gaming closet. It's like maxing out. 204, 170. Where's the heat? Where is the heat? It's not fast enough. I do have an idea though that may help. I'm gonna turn my laptop around so that the fans are blowing onto me. I've got an idea. This isn't working. This isn't working. Oh my gosh. Maybe it is. Look, it just went up. After going outside for some fresh air and then coming back in, I definitely feel a difference. It actually feels warm in here. Oh my gosh, it's going up. It's working. It is almost 60 degrees, guys, and I feel like I'm getting way too comfortable in here. So what I'm gonna do to wake myself up and really give myself that wake-up call, it is time to unplug my laptop. 91%? What? It's not even fully charged. I am left with 90% of battery. That is all I have to get this room to 63 degrees. If I can't get this room to 63 degrees, by the time my laptop dies, I fail this video. This video is a fail. It's so laggy. Why is it so laggy? What's happening right now? For some reason, when this laptop is unplugged, it is just so laggy. So bear with me. But I'm gonna try my best to game as hard as possible to get this room to 63 degrees. As you can see, over here on the side is my battery percentage, and in the middle is the game I'm playing. Bruh. Guys, I think we need a new plan. My boat is sailing in the background. It is on 50% power, and it's only 59 degrees in here. At this rate, we're not gonna make it. So I need to do something to generate some heat. I need to do some workout, I need to do something. What can I do? What is a workout I can do to generate some heat? Come on, 42%. It's still 59 degrees. Keep doing these squats, baby. Just keep doing squats. I thought if I did some exercises in here, it would raise the room's temperature. But clearly my efforts aren't working. I don't believe this is gonna work. I got 61 degrees in here, and it's at 33%. I think we can do this. We can do this. We just gotta game. We need to open more apps. I'm gonna go through my app list. I'm just gonna open everything. Captions. Open up webcam. Yes. Open up Audacity. Yes. 63. Oh my gosh, dude, we did it. We did it. Look, we did it. We did it. It is 63. Hold on, 1 second. Chat. Guys, we did it. I did it. I got it. 63 degrees. 63. I got it 63. The battery is not dead. Guys, this video is a win. We did it. After being in this closet for well over an hour, playing multiple games. We played Fortnite. We played Minecraft. We played Sea of Thieves. We opened tons of apps. We unplugged the laptop to reduce the amount of heat in the room. And still, I overcame the impossible. I got it to 63 degrees in here. I can't believe we did it, guys. We have done it. Even though my water is still frozen, we have done it. So there you have it. You can use a gaming laptop as a space heater. It is 63 degrees in here now, and it started out as 28 degrees. I can't even believe it. We generated so much heat. And all of these foam panels are falling off the walls. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week.